Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in today's video, I am so excited because in this video, we have the budget-friendly shop with me and haul open collaboration. Now I am at the Goodwill, so I am thrifting, and then at the end, I'm gonna have a small little haul for you. So let me tell you who's hosting in this collab. All right, so the host of this collab is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I have At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Then we have some co-hosts, so that's Being Mel B, Design with Emma, Decorate with Us, Debbie Bubbles, Cozy at Coco's, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Coastal Diva. Now always remember to use the hashtag, which is shopandhaul24, so that I can find you and pick up your video and add you to the playlist. As in all collaborations, we always follow YouTube etiquette. That means watching everybody's video in the playlist, and also clicking the like button, leaving a nice comment, and subscribing to the channels, guys. All right, so there was one more thing I wanted to tell you. So even though it's the budget-friendly shop with me and haul, guys, it's whatever your favorite store is, and maybe they're having a sale, whatever it is. Like, I love Home Goods, and I get a lot of clearance stuff there. It's not specifically pointed at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, or anything like that. Walmart has some great buys, guys. And it does include thrifting. It includes anything that you guys like. So just remember that. Now, I'm not understanding why there's no lids on these teapots, but let's just keep it moving, guys. Enjoy the video to music, and I'm gonna see you at the haul. So aren't these pots at the very top here absolutely beautiful? And they were a pair. I think one was slightly smaller than the other, but anyway, I had a great time here shopping. I'll see you at the haul. Okay, so hi everyone. This is the budget-friendly shop with me and haul. Now, just got through going to the Goodwill and took you around there, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I purchased. Okay, so this is the haul part of it. Now, I needed one of these decanters for when I have my my bar cart. I don't need one of these, but I just thought I'd get one because I absolutely love the way they look. Look at that. So it was $2.99. So I just want to show you. This was a great price, I think, and it's a nice size. It's not like too big or anything like that. I really like that. That was a good buy. Then I absolutely love gingerbread, guys. Look at the gingerbread. So this is a gingerbread candle, and this was $1.99. I just bought it, guys. I just love it. I think it's beautiful. And so I got one of these. Now, these beautiful plates right here are from Pier 1. So for those of you who remember Pier 1 and then went out of business, absolutely gorgeous fall plates. So I just grabbed two. They didn't have any other size. They didn't have the dinner plate. They just had the salad plate. Isn't that gorgeous? So they were $2.99 a piece. So I got two. All right, and then I saw these and these caught my eye. I absolutely love the way they look. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely beautiful, guys? So I love this, and like I said, it caught my eye, and it was $1.99, the tag said. And it's a purple tag. I'm not even sure. I don't have the receipt, so I'm not sure if any of these things were on sale, but these are beautiful. I love to use this with all the Mackenzie Child stuff. So I had a great time in this collaboration. I absolutely love thrifting. Next time I'll probably go to a different store, but I love thrifting. I think these are all great finds, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Amen.